Good afternoon, student. Today we see next example. Example number first. CET maths. Increasing, decreasing function. Increasing, decreasing function. Question number 1. The function f of x equal to ax plus b is strictly increasing for all x belongs to R. Option number 1, A 0. Option B, A less than 0. Option C, A greater than 0. Option D, none of these. For this, we know that f of x equal to ax plus b, f dash x equal to a. We know f of x is strictly increasing, that is f dash x greater than 0, then f of x is strictly increasing. Therefore, a greater than 0 is option. Option B. Option B, strictly increasing. Option C is the answer of given question. Question number first. Then question number second. If f of x equal to ax plus b is strictly decreasing for all x belongs to R, then option A 0, B A less than 0, C A greater than 0, D A equal to 1. For this, we know if function is decreasing, then f of x is less than 0, that is f dash x equal to a less than 0 is the answer. Answer B. See over here and write in your notebook, that is increasing and decreasing function. Now see over here, that is question number 3. Question number 3. Question number 3. See, if function is strictly increasing, we know f dash x greater than 0 and f of x, f dash x less than 0, then function is decreasing, that is a less than 0. See and write in your notebook. Condition number first, if f of x is increasing, then f dash x less than or greater than C and write in your notebook. Now question number 3, that is if the function f of x equal to 2 minus 3x is A, increasing, B, decreasing, C, neither increasing nor decreasing, D, none of these. For this we have f of x equal to 2 minus 3x, f dash x. Step first, find f dash x. If f dash x greater than 0, then f of x is strictly increasing, and number second, if f dash x less than 0, then f of x is decreasing function. Decreasing function. Step first, find f dash x, that is derivative of 2 is 0, differentiating with respect to x. 0 minus 3 equal to minus 3. Derivative of 2 constant, therefore derivative is 0. Derivative of minus 3x minus 3, and this is strictly less than 0, that is f dash x less than 0, therefore f of x is decreasing function. That is option B is the answer of given question number 3. That is, first step, if the function f of x equal to 2 minus 3x is dash dash, increasing, decreasing, neither increasing nor decreasing, D, none of these. For that, C, step first, find f dash x. If f dash x greater than 0, then f of x is increasing function. If f dash x less than 0, then f of x is decreasing function. That is, option B is the answer of question number 3. Now, see next question. Question number 4. Question number 4. Question number 4. If the function f of x equal to tan inverse bracket sin x plus cos x is an increasing function, is an increasing function in option A. Option A, pi by 4 to pi by 2. Option B, minus pi by 4 to pi by 4. Minus pi by 2 to pi by 4. Option C, 0 to pi by 2. Option D, minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. For that, see over here, that is given function f of x equal to tan inverse sin x plus cos x. We find derivative of f of sin inverse tan inverse sin x plus cos x. That is differentiating with respect to x. F dash x equal to 1 upon 1 plus sin x plus cos x whole square into derivative of f of x, that is cos x minus sin x. Cos x minus sin x. Given f of x is increasing function. F of x is increasing function, that is equal to root 2 bracket cos of x plus pi by 4 upon 1 plus sin x plus cos x whole square. Cos x whole square. Given f of x is increasing function, f of x given f of x is increasing function, therefore f dash x greater than 0. F dash x greater than 0. That is 1 is positive, bracket whole square is positive, that is denominator is positive. When this expression is positive, root 2 cos bracket x plus pi by 4 greater than 0. Greater than 0. That is minus pi by 2 less than x less than pi by 2. Less than pi by 2. cos कधी पॉझिटिव्ह असतो पहा. ऑल पॉझिटिव्ह, sin, tan and cos. Minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. That is here minus pi by 2 and here plus pi by 2. That is when cos is positive, cos first quadrant and fourth quadrant मध्ये पॉझिटिव्ह असतो. आणि आपल्याला माहित आहे 0 पाय बाय 2 पाय 3 पाय बाय 2 2 पाय and this is minus pi by 2, 0, pi by 2. When cos is positive, root 2 upon 0, that is cos bracket cos bracket x plus pi by 4 greater than 0 upon root 2, that is greater than 0. When greater than 0, that is x less than pi by 2 minus pi by 4 minus pi by 2 minus pi by 4. That is x, that is pi by 4. Pi by 2 minus pi by 4, 2 pi minus 3 pi by 4. That is pi by minus 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 3 pi by 4. B option. Option B is the minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2. Minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Here minus pi by 2 to pi by 4 minus 3 pi by minus 3 pi by 4. That is option B is the answer of given question number 4. C and write in your notebook. First, given f of x equal to tan inverse sin x plus cos x. Differentiating with respect to x, we find f dash x. F dash x equal to 1 upon 1 plus sin x plus cos x whole square into cos x minus sin x. On simplifying this bracket, we get sin x minus cos x. Cos a plus b चा formula use करून root 2, that is cos x plus pi by 4. Now, given f of x is increasing, we know denominator positive, therefore numerator also positive. Positive upon positive, that is greater than 0. Therefore, root 2 cos bracket x plus pi by 4 is positive. That is cos x plus pi by 4 greater than 0 upon root 2, that is 0. When we know cos minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 मध्ये पॉझिटिव्ह असतो आणि त्यानुसार ट्रान्सफर केल्यानंतर x pi by 4 to pi by, that is the answer of given question number 4. See and write in your notebook. See and write in your notebook. All silver tea. Cos कुठं पॉझिटिव्ह असतो तो चेक करायचा आणि त्याच्यानुसार त्याचं आन्सर येतं. Now, see next question. Question number 5. The function f of x equal to log 1 plus x minus 2x upon 2 plus x is increasing on a minus 1 to infinity b 1 to infinity c d minus infinity to 0 and d minus infinity to plus infinity. Minus infinity to plus infinity. See question number 5. Given f of x equal to log of 1 plus x minus 2x upon 2 plus x, differentiating with respect to x, f dash x equal to 1 upon 1 plus x. We use log of f of x, that is 1 upon f of x into derivative of f of x, that is into 1, minus. We use quotient rule here to find derivative of 2x upon 2 plus x, that is 2 plus x whole square. 2 plus x as it is into derivative of 2x is 2 minus 2x is 1. That is equal to 1 upon 1 plus x minus 2 2s are 4 minus 2x, that is minus 4 upon 2 plus x square, that is 1 plus x 2 plus x square equal to x square. By cross multiplication, we get f dash x equal to x square upon 2 plus x whole square. That is f dash x is, f of x is increasing, therefore f of x is increasing, therefore f dash x greater than 0, that is x square upon 1 plus x 2 plus x whole square greater than 0, that is x square greater than 0, that is x square greater than 0 if x greater than minus 1, that is minus 1 to infinity. X greater than minus 1 means minus 1 peksha x greater, that is minus infinity to plus infinity, plus x square is greater than 0, 2x plus x whole square is greater than 0, and x plus 1 also greater than 0. That is x greater than. X greater than minus 1 means minus 1 to infinity. Minus 1 to infinity. See and write in your notebook. That is, the answer A is the answer A. Similarly, you can solve example number 6, 7, 8 in your notebook. Now we see example number 10. I repeat again. Question is, the function f of x equal to log of 1 plus x minus 2x upon 2 plus x is increasing on minus infinity, minus 1 to infinity, 1 to infinity. For that, f of x equal to log of 1 plus x minus 2x upon 2 plus x. Find derivative. We use formula log of f of x. And 1 upon f of x minus, we use here quotient rule, that is u, that is v. V square v into du by dx minus u into dv by dx. That is, on simplification, we get f dash x equal to x square upon 1 plus x bracket 2 plus x whole square. Given function f of x is increasing, therefore f dash x greater than 0. We know square of x is positive, square of 2 plus x also positive. हे पॉझिटिव्ह होण्यासाठी 1 प्लस एक्स सुद्धा पॉझिटिव्ह पाहिजे. 1 प्लस एक्स पॉझिटिव्ह कधी असेल तर एक्स ग्रेटर दॅन मायनस 1. दॅट इज एक्स ग्रेटर दॅन मायनस 1 मीन्स मायनस 1 टू इन्फिनिटी. नाउ यू सॉल्व अदर एक्झाम्पल. नाउ वी सी नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल. एक्झाम्पल नंबर 10. That is, you solve 6, 7, 8, 9 in your notebook, and solution is given on PDF. That is example number 10. Example number 10. Example number 10, that is, the function f of x is equal to e raised to 2x minus 1 upon e raised to 2x plus 1 is A increasing, B decreasing, C an even function, D and odd function. C an even, D none, D none of these. For that, see over here, given f of x equal to e raised to 2x minus 1 upon e raised to 2x plus 1. That is, f of minus x equal to e raised to minus 2x minus 1 upon e raised to 2x minus 2x plus 1, that is equal to 1 upon e raised to 2x minus 1 upon 1 upon 1 upon e raised to 2x plus 1 upon 1. Therefore, 1 minus e raised to 2x upon 1 plus e raised to 2x. We find LCM, that is e raised to 2x into 1 plus e raised to 2x, 1 into e raised to minus 2x, e raised to 2x, e raised to 2x get cancel. Denominator e raised to 2x. That is equal to minus bracket e raised to 2x minus 1 upon e raised to 2x plus 1. Take minus 1 common this, that is minus f of x. Therefore, if f of minus x equal to minus f of x, then f of x is odd function. F of x is odd function. Now we find derivative of these two. That is, derivative of these is equal to 4 e raised to 2x upon 1 plus f dash x equal to 4 e raised to 2x upon e raised to 2x plus 1 whole square. But f of x is increasing. 4 positive, e raised to 2x positive, whole square is positive, therefore f dash x strictly greater than 0. Therefore, f of x is increasing. That is, answer A is the option of given function. For all x belongs to R is greater than 0 for all x. X is any real number. X is any real number. That is, f of x is an increasing function. And increasing function. See how to find derivative of these f of x. F of x equal to e raised to 2x minus 1 upon e raised to 2x plus 1. We use quotient rule here. First we check f of x is odd or even. We know definition of odd and even function in 11th class. That is, f of x equal to f of minus x equal to f of x असेल तर even and f of minus x equal to minus f of x असेल तर odd function. This is definition for odd function. See over here, if f of minus x equal to f of x, then f of x is even function, and f of x equal to minus f of x, then f of x is odd function. Now see over here, find derivative of f of x, that is differentiating with respect to x. We use quotient rule, e raised to 2x plus 1 whole square. U as it is, phi derivative of, phi as it is derivative of u and minus u as it is derivative of phi. We, on simplification, we get f dash x, that is derivative of f of x, is 4 e raised to 2x upon e raised to 2x plus 1 whole square. This is positive for every x belongs to R. Here 4 is positive, square is positive, and e raised to 2x means e raised to x whole square. 4 positive, this square is positive, also denominator is positive, therefore whole expression is positive, and this is increasing function. Answer of this question is increasing function. See and write in your notebook. That is question number 10. Now see next question. हे पॉझिटिव्ह कसं ते पहा. 4 पॉझिटिव्ह, ई रेस टू 2x म्हणजेच ई रेस टू एक्स होल स्क्वेअर आपल्याला लिहिता येतं. डिनॉमिनेटर स्क्वेअर आहे, हा स्क्वेअर पॉझिटिव्ह, 4 पॉझिटिव्ह, रेशो इज पॉझिटिव्ह, दॅट इज स्ट्रिक्टली ग्रेटर दॅन 0 फॉर ऑल x belongs to R. Now next question. Question number 11. Question number 11. That is question number 11. The function cot inverse, the function cot inverse x plus x is increases in the interval, is increases in the interval. Option A. (1 to infinity). Option B, -1 to infinity. Option C, -infinity to +infinity. Option D, 0 to infinity. Given f of x equal to cot inverse x plus x, f dash x equal to 1 upon 1 plus x square plus 1. That is equal to 1 upon 1 plus x square. 1 plus x square plus 1. That is 2 plus x square upon 1 plus x square. That is minus derivative. And minus means x square upon 1 plus x square. -1 plus x square plus 1. That is equal to f dash x equal to x square upon 1 plus x square greater than or equal to 0 for all x belongs to x. That is always positive, that is minus infinity to plus infinity. Option C is the answer of this question. See over here, the function that is cot inverse x plus x is increases in the interval. We find y dash x equal to minus 1 upon 1 plus x square plus 1. Cross multiplication, minus 1 plus x square. 1 get cancel, y dash x greater than 0. When x ची कुठलीही व्हॅल्यू घेतली प्लस मायनस 0 तरी इथं काय होतं पहा, y dash x greater than 0 येतो. त्यामुळे गिवन फंक्शन इज इन्क्रीजेस मायनस इन्फिनिटी टू प्लस इन्फिनिटी. बाय यूजिंग दिस रूल we use example number 11. Now see over here example number 12. Example number 12, that is increasing and decreasing. Example number 12, for every value of x, 12, for every value of x, the function f of x equal to 1 upon 5 raised to x is option A, B, C, D. Decreasing, increasing. Neither increasing nor decreasing. And D, none of these. For that, f of x equal to 1 upon 5 raised to x. Now differentiating with respect to x. 1 upon 5 raised to x is equal to 5 raised to minus x, that is 5 raised to minus x into log 5 into minus x is the derivative of 5 raised to minus x. We use in laws of indices, that is 1 upon a raised to m equal to a raised to minus m. What is a? 5. What is m? X. We use rule 1 upon a raised to m equal to a raised to minus m. That is minus 5 raised to minus x log 5. We know log 5 is positive. 5 raised to minus x also positive. That is positive into negative. That is negative. That is less than 0. Therefore, f of x is decreasing. Option A is the answer of given question number that is equal to log 5 minus log 5 upon 5 raised to x. This is positive, log positive, and this is negative. Positive upon positive and negative less than 0. Final answer is y dash x less than 0. That is, answer is minus, that is less than 0. Therefore, given function is decreasing function for all x belongs to x. Now, see over here, we find the derivative of all function, that is the step first. We see number 1, if f of x is increasing, then y dash x greater than 0. If f of x is decreasing, then f dash x less than 0. See and write in your notebook. That is the